Imagine capturing flawless audio with your Insta360, no matter where you are. Today, we're reviewing the Insta360 Mic Air, a device designed to give you professional-grade sound without any hassle. Join me as we unbox it, set it up, and see if it lives up to the hype for content creators. But before we continue, please check out the links in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to support this channel. Insta360 Mic Air is a compact, ultra-light wireless microphone system designed for high-quality audio capture. It features advanced noise cancelling, a long transmission range, and versatile compatibility with USB-C devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computers, as well as direct connection to select Insta360 cameras. You can purchase Insta360 Mic Air in two bundles. You can buy one transmitter plus one receiver combo to use seamlessly with Insta360 cameras and the flexibility to use with USB-C smartphones, gimbals, and other cameras. Or you can buy just one transmitter for direct connection to Insta360 X5, X4, X4 Air, Ace Pro 2, and Go Ultra. Whatever bundle you choose, you will have the same accessories. Inside the box, you'll find the carry case. Insta360 Mic Air and all its accessories fit into this small, zip-up carry case. The carry case contains the following: furry windshield, charging base, clip magnet, magnet pendant, button magnet, transmitter, and receiver. The transmitter offers multiple wearing options for multiple scenarios. Use the button magnet to secure the transmitter to clothing. Use the clip magnet to attach the transmitter to your collar. Use the magnet pendant for wearing around the neck. And to reduce wind noise, attach the furry windshield. Its tiny size means it is also lightweight. The receiver weighs only 5.4 grams, and the transmitter weighs 8.3 grams. These are both lighter than DJI Mic Mini's transmitter, which is 10 grams, and receiver, which is 18.2 grams. The Insta360 Mic Air transmitter offers a long-lasting 10-hour battery life when connected to its dedicated receiver. When connected directly via Bluetooth to cameras like the Insta360 X5, the battery lasts approximately 7.5 hours. It charges in about 100 minutes and features a 97 mAh capacity. The receiver gets pass-through charging when it's connected to a device, so there's no need to worry about that battery life there. Insta360 Mic Air features 24-bit, 48 kHz audio, providing significantly clearer audio than internal camera mics and phones' built-in mics. The omnidirectional audio pickup captures sound from all directions. The mic has built-in noise reduction, which is effective in dampening the sound of traffic when outdoors. Insta360 Mic Air supports two primary connection methods: receiver connection using both the transmitter and receiver, and direct Bluetooth connection using the transmitter only. The receiver is compatible with cameras, smartphones, computers, and tablets. The receiver plugs directly into your mobile phone with no complicated setup, no Bluetooth, no app required. Simply plug in the receiver to the USB-C port. The transmitter and receiver will pair automatically, and once the light becomes steady, recording can begin. The transmitter supports direct Bluetooth connection to Insta360 X5, X4, X4 Air, Ace Pro 2, and Go Ultra without a receiver and delivers premium audio, simplifying your gear and workflow for a more efficient creative process. When connected, press the button on the transmitter once to take a photo or start-stop video recording. Press twice to toggle noise reduction, and press 3 times to toggle mute. This is a side-by-side comparison of audio quality using the Mic Air versus built-in camera audio in a noisy and windy street. This is a test recording on mobile phone using built-in mic. This is a test recording on mobile phone using Insta360 Mic Air, noise cancellation off. This is a test recording on mobile phone using Insta360 Mic Air, noise reduction on. This is a test recording on mobile phone using Insta360 Mic Air, noise cancellation on with windshield. The Insta360 Mic Air is a reasonably priced tiny wireless microphone that works seamlessly with Insta360's flagship cameras and easily connects to phones via USB-C. It's the perfect choice for anyone using a portable microphone for the first time, especially if they are already using Insta360 cameras, since it is an affordable option with sound that lives up to the cost. Take note, there is no 3.5mm connectivity and no charging case as well. It's not as versatile as some close competitors, but no question with its 24-bit sound quality, mounting options, or ability to reduce wind noise. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you.